Hello, this is Annalisa from Faith Dream Create, and welcome back to my channel. I have a cleaning motivational video for you. This was filmed right after Christmas, so the craft space was a disaster. The bags from the presents and different things were thrown over here, and it was really messy. We had stocking stuffers thrown over here as well. And so I'm just going ahead and getting this space ship-shape again. And before I dive right into more cleaning, I also want to mention that this is a collab with Rose. And she has a YouTube channel, and it is called Geek to Me Crafts. And she's going to be doing a cleaning video in her craft room as well. And she has a really great channel. I will leave the link to her video and channel down below. She is all about doing crafting on a budget and offers great tips on that and shares her projects on how she crafts on a budget. And she's into crafts, and she just started junk journaling. So if that is anything that you're interested in, definitely check out her channel. And if you are coming over from her channel, thank you so much for coming. I hope you like what you see. Definitely check out the rest of my channel. I do a bunch of different kind of videos: card making, crafting, cleaning videos, and a few other things. So check out my channel. I would love for you to subscribe. And then for my cleaning, I was just getting some recycling away. I like to keep a few of the wrapping papers after Christmas to do some cards or use in my scrapbooks in the future for my kids. It is great paper for that. So then I'm just going ahead and decluttering my desk. My craft space was a little bit messy coming into Christmas because where I live, because of the virus, we've had restrictions over Christmas, and we weren't allowed to have big parties. We only had one guest. We had my mother-in-law over who lives alone, so it was okay. And she is a crafter as well, so she did not mind the mess in my craft space that is right in our living room as we enjoyed Christmas Eve together. She totally understood and was just like, "Hey, what were you making?" So there was a little bit of pile up from the crafts from Christmas and before that, and then there was the mess from Christmas. So Christmas Day, we were just at home and we were enjoying it. It was definitely nice to not have to run around and get 3 kids out the door for that event, but we definitely missed family, and we were looking forward to being able to spend these special holidays with our family and friends again. So I'm going to go ahead and put on a little bit of music here. You're going to see my husband in some of the clips, and I'm handing off some of the things to him so that he can put it away. And he's just standing in the area holding our daughter, and our boys were watching TV. The TV is right next to the crafting space. Alright, so now that most of the cleaning is done, I'm just going ahead and wiping down my Alex drawers here. They definitely needed a deep clean, and then that is going to finish up the cleaning motivation for today. And baby girl Avery needed to come say hi. It is her first Christmas, and she had a lot of fun. And I hope this video gave you some cleaning motivation to get your craft rooms all ready for a new year and the crafting season, and that you get a lot of crafting projects done. If you have been following my videos here since I moved my craft room into my living room, you're going to notice a few pieces that might not have been in my last video. The 4-cube calyx we brought in here since that video to provide a divider between my son's desk and my desk and have a little bit more table room. It was in our closet as we mixed things around and got this space set up, and there's a few new changes as well. So stay tuned for videos with the updates, and definitely check out Rose's channel. I'll have her video listed down below, and go and check out her channel and her video and get more cleaning motivation over there if you need more after this video as well. Or if you watch this video and you're still cleaning your craft room, then definitely go check out her video because there will be more cleaning motivation over there. And definitely give this video a like and subscribe for more videos coming your way. Thank you so much. Bye for now.